What's going on, guys? I know it's kind of a silly little video, but I'm just making a short one today because I actually have had multiple people ask me this, and the question is, how do you flip up the tow mirrors on a Ram pickup? So I'm going to show you right here. Simply, when the door is shut, whether you're on the driver or passenger side, you're going to push up on the corner closest to the center of the truck and just push straight up. Now, if you have an older truck, or these haven't been flipped up in a really long time, they might be super stiff or even seized. I've seen it where they won't flip up anymore because they've never been flipped up, but this is how you do it. If this video helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below with any questions, check me out on all the socials, and as always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.